Kalispera κυρίες και κύριοι. Today we're going to make oven roasted potatoes. For this recipe I'm going to use 5 potatoes which I've already peeled. We're going to want to cut each potato in half and then in half again, making 4 potato wedges out of each potato. This recipe of oven roasted potatoes, they go great next to a nice juicy steak or chicken. Now that we finished cutting up the potatoes into wedges, let's begin by adding 2 nice pinches of pepper. And 2 nice pinches of salt. Some very nice Greek olive oil. Squeeze a whole lemon, and I'm using the bottom of my hands so I could grab the pits so they won't fall in. Let's add now the chopped up garlic and just spread it around everywhere. One tablespoon of mustard, and a bit of water. Now, make sure your hands are clean or wear gloves. We want to mix everything around so all the ingredients that we added go everywhere. You're going to want to preheat your oven to 180 degrees, and we're going to roast these potatoes for 1 hour and 20 minutes. After around 50 minutes, we're going to want to take the potatoes out of the oven so we could stir them around a bit. If you see at the bottom of the pan is a bit dry, just add some water. We're going to put them back in the oven for 30 more minutes and they should be done. After 1 hour and 20 minutes, our potatoes are ready. We're going to add now 3 nice pinches of oregano and we're ready to serve. And like always, και καλή σας όρεξη.